So in this Fotor tutorial video, I'll be showing you guys how to make text vertical here on Fotor. So once Fotor's opened up, I want you to go ahead here and just have some text in your design. I'll type in the word vertical right here. And then how about I go ahead and make it a little bit larger so it's easier for you guys to see. So if you wanted to make the text vertical, so up and down compared to horizontal, press on the text right here. Go to the top to where it says vertical text and go ahead and press on that. Now all of a sudden you have your text here and it is now vertical. So another way you can do that as well is pretty simple. If you just were to go ahead here and just rotate the text, you can rotate it to sort of whatever angle you're looking for. But once again, if you wanted to make the text vertical or horizontal, you can just go back and forth and do it this way no matter what. So very simple, very straightforward. That's how you guys can make text vertical here on Fotor. Thanks again for watching, and I hope this video helps.